Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unmute a chat using shortcuts on WhatsApp Web for PC. This new update has made managing your chats even more efficient, so let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. To do this, launch your preferred browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. Once there, make sure you're logged in by scanning the QR code with your phone if needed. Next, locate the chat you want to unmute. Click on it to open the conversation. This step ensures that the shortcut we'll use applies specifically to this chat. Now comes the magic. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus M simultaneously. This combination will instantly unmute the selected chat. It's as simple as that. You'll now start receiving notifications for messages in this conversation again. This shortcut is part of a broader set of tools designed to make WhatsApp Web more user-friendly and efficient. Whether you're managing personal or professional conversations, knowing these shortcuts can save you time and effort. That's all for today. With just a few clicks and a keyboard shortcut, you've learned how to unmute chats on WhatsApp Web. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital experience. Thanks for watching.